Hello friends, class 10. Today we are going to understand the chapter Internet Security. In this chapter we will learn about how to improve the security when we are using the internet, how to secure the system as well, what are the do's and don'ts we should apply, okay, and small steps that how we can improve all this functionality, right? So let's see here in this chapter, and what I'm going to teach you here, it is important, and what are there in the chapter, it is also very important. So read the chapter as well, okay. I'm showing you here with the help of a demonstration here on your screen, right? So just watch the video till end, so you will learn much better, okay. So let's start. Hello friends, so let's see here the settings of security, okay, for improving the security of the computer, laptop, okay. So here the demonstration of this system and security options, and this is the Windows 10 friends, right? And let's see here how we can improve the security here. So this is the system and security option. I have opened the control panel, okay. By just typing here control panel, it will be opened here, and Windows 7 and Windows 8 might be different way to open, okay. So you can easily just go to the control panel by going to the all programs, then go to the control panel option, okay. So I am here, and just see here when I click on the system and security, let's see security and maintenance option. The first option is security and maintenance. When I click here, this appearance comes here, security. Let's see here. So it says view in Windows security, virus protection, network firewall. At the top, if you see, no issue have been detected by security and maintenance. So right now there is no problem in the system, so it is going good, hopefully. And here you can see user account control. In short, UAC will notify you when apps try to make changes to the computer. Let's see here by clicking on change setting option. Click on this. As you can see, this dialog box, user account control setting view. So user account control helps prevent potentially harmful programs from making changes to your computer. So it means that when you install unverified, unspecified application program in your computer, so it give you the notification that this application may be harmful for your computer, okay. It can change some of the settings as well in your computer, so it is not necessary to install this app. So it is up to your risk if you want to install it, because it might create problem for your system, okay. So here are this is the bar, and here you can here you can set the priority of installing these apps, and according to this priority you will get the notification, like always notify, so low risk, high risk. So don't notify me when I make change to the Windows setting, or recommended if you use familiar apps and visit familiar website. So it is up to you that what changes you want to, what setting you want to keep in your system, right? So the recommended message is very simple, that if such apps or application you are installing in your computer which is harmful, you are getting notification regarding that, so please avoid these apps, don't install it in your system, right? So this is the way of avoiding such problem. And let's see another things like maintenance, okay. So you see report problems on, okay, and you see file histories of drive status. So maintenance report problem on means that when your system is getting any problem, so you will get the notification, you will get the messages. And let's see more options to improve the security. The second, this is very important friends, Windows firewall. So let's see here, when I click here, it is saying update your firewall settings, means Windows Defender firewall is not using the recommended setting to protect the computer. You can see here it is saying not connected, right? So we need to switch on this firewall. I have turned off because I want to show you this. So from where I can turn on this firewall, this is the option, turn Windows Defender firewall on or off. Just click here, As you can see here, customize setting for each type of network. You can modify the firewall setting for each type of network that you use. So right now it is turned off. Just turn on this by clicking on this radio button and it will be turned on. Let's see, this is changed. Okay, now it is showing both green, means your system is protected from unverified access. So it's very easy to protect the computer. Let's see more option what I can show you here. Very different things are available here. Okay, so keep all the protection settings on, friends, because it is important, it is necessary, and this way you can protect your data, computer data, right? You can improve more security is when we go to the network and internet. Just click here and internet option. From here also you can improve the security because you access so much of internet. So this chapter is all about to having the internet security, right? So this is the security tab in the internet dialog box, internet properties dialog box. When I click here, as you can see, local internet, trusted sites and restricted sites. So what is the trusted sites? This zone contains websites that you trust not to damage your computer or your files. So when I click on this site button, so you can add the sites here actually which are the trusted by you, which you feel that this will not harm your computer. And this is the restricted sites. Here also you can add the sites which will be blocked by you by adding here, and it means that you are not going to access such websites, and this will protect your computer. So this way you can protect your computer data as well. Okay, so you can add and remove website from this zone. All website in this zone will use the zone security settings. So it is up to you, what is your choice, but always use the trusted sites because this zone contains websites that you trust not to damage your computer or your files, right? And here the priorities, you can set the priorities, medium, high, low as well here also. Okay, so this way you can protect your internet settings as well. Okay, so privacy settings, some privacy settings are there, content. Okay, all setting in this internet properties dialog box you can check. But friends, let me tell you, don't change so much of setting of the system, because changing so much setting in the system you might feel some problem as well. Okay, so my advice, do not change so much of setting unless it is and the cause and the good or bad effect on the system. So please understand this also. So this is all about the internet properties. Okay, another important thing to maintain the system security is to deleting your browsing history and other accessing what you accessed in the system nobody can see, and from unverified sources. So you can protect your data as well from clearing the browsing history. Okay, so data might be stored in the temporary internet files, cookies, username, password. So all this you can delete it from system, and if this information falls into the wrong hands, it would result in the loss your privacy. So this situation you can avoid it by clearing the browsing history. So when I click here network and internet option from this control panel, and here you see delete browsing history and cookies. So click this, and here in this internet properties box, check this box and click on the delete button, delete option. Okay, so when you click is the all browsing and okay, so this will be applied and it will clear all the browsing history of your system, all your browsers. You can apply this from your browser as well. You go to the browser you are using, and there you go to the setting options. Okay, tools option, there you will see the delete browsing history option, and you click there and click on the browsing history as well. So very easy steps, you can apply it, right friends, and you can protect the system. So this is all about this chapter, browsing and clearing the browsing, internet security, how to set firewalls, everything I have shown you here. And this way, if you follow certain steps, certain rules, so you can avoid this situation. Okay, so just read the chapter very carefully, you will understand few more points from the chapter, and this chapter has explained everything here what you need to know. Okay, so just go through the chapter and we will meet to the next class, and till then take care of yourself. Thank you.